Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to schedule WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets with Pabbly Chatflow. So here I am running a makeup studio with the name as Divine Glamour, and to promote my business this new year, I want to send discount offers to all my existing customers. For that, I have the details of all the customers in my Google Sheets. So here I want that automatically WhatsApp messages should be sent to all my customers with the personalized format along with the discount offers. Now to send the WhatsApp messages, here I am going to use Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly which helps us to enhance the conversations with our customers effectively and effortlessly. So by using Pabbly Chatflow, I want to send discount offers to all my customers for this new year from Google Sheets, that too in the personalized format. Now to automate this entire process, we will have to set up the connection between our Google Sheets and Pabbly Chatflow, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step that how we can automatically schedule sending WhatsApp messages to all our customers from Google Sheets by using Pabbly Chatflow. So here I have a makeup studio with a name as Divine Glamour, for which I want to send discount offers for this new year to all my customers. I have the details of all my customers in my Google Sheets. And for sending the WhatsApp messages to each of them in the personalized format, I'm going to use a new feature of Pabbly, that is Pabbly Chatflow, which helps us to conveniently enhance our conversations with our customers, leads, clients, or anyone by managing the inbox and providing multiple such amazing features. Okay, so here by using Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to create a template, and by using that template, I'm going to send multiple messages to multiple clients in the personalized format. So let's get started quickly. To automate this entire process, we will have to set up the connection between Google Sheets, where we have the details of our customers, and Pabbly Chatflow, by using which we are going to send the template messages on WhatsApp. And to build this connection, because they are not directly connected, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect, as you know, is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without the requirement of any coding and any programming skills. So let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. Two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user like me, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Okay, now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Schedule WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets with Pabbly Chatflow. So after giving the name to my workflow, I am going to select the folder. These are all the folders I have created for different kind of workflows. And you know, the automation which we are going to set up currently is related to WhatsApp marketing. So WhatsApp marketing automations will be my folder. Now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us, which contains two extremely important windows. Basically, this is a blank workflow which we have to fill up in order to set up the automation. Okay, so here we have trigger and action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. So let's suppose here my objective is that today I want to send WhatsApp messages to all my customers which I have in my Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So because I want to schedule the messages so that it could be sent at a particular time today, so I'm going to use schedule by Pabbly in trigger, which is going to help us to schedule the workflows according to our requirements for our automation. And then we want that when the workflow is going to schedule at a particular time, the details of my customer should be fetched out from my Google Sheets. So for that, here I'm going to take Google Sheets in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these two applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the workflow is going to schedule at a particular time with the help of schedule by Pabbly, then only the details of my customers from Google Sheets are going to be fetched out inside Pabbly Connect. And further, when I'm going to add one more action step, that is Pabbly Chatflow, so the message will be sent to that customer automatically. Okay. So in this way, our automation works. After understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, let's go towards our trigger step first of all, and let us select our trigger application. That will be, as I told you, schedule, by using which we are going to schedule our workflow for a particular time. Today, let's suppose at 2 p.m. So here I'm going to select trigger event as schedule workflow. And then here it is asking us how often you want to run your workflow. We can have multiple options over here. So here I'm taking the example of sending the discount offers for New Year. So I'm going to use once as my interval, but you can select any of them. If you want to send a particular weekly reminder to your team members by using this automation, you can go for days of the week. You can also send monthly subscription reminders for your business by using dates of the months. Even you can send daily work reminder to your team members using every day and etc. Okay, I'm going to select once over here. Then we have to select the date. On which date and at what time you want to send the message, you want to start the workflow. So today is 1st of January, that is the New Year's Day. So I'm going to select 1st of January 2025 and then I'm going to select the time. So let's say I want to send the message at 2 p.m. So here I've selected 2 p.m. That is the 24 hours time, and then now I'm going to click on save. As we have done that, the workflow is scheduled now for this particular time. Alright, now we are going to move forward. So automatically at 2 p.m. this workflow is going to trigger. When the workflow is going to trigger, we want to fetch out the details of our customers from Google Sheets. So for that, now we have to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. To do that, let's go towards our action step. And let us select our action application as Google Sheets. Then we have to select the action event. So here we want to get the details of the customers from Google Sheets. So get shows will be our action event. Then let's click on connect. Over here, you can see we have two options to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection with your Google Sheets, you can just go with that. I'm going to show you that how you can create a new connection easily. For that, you have to go towards add new connection and you have to click on this sign in with Google. You have to make sure that you are already logged into your Google Sheets. Over here, you can see we have to select the account. So I've selected that. Then Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Google Sheets. And our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. So let's click on allow. And we can see that our authorization has become successful. The connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now we are going to move forward towards getting the details. So first of all, we have to select the spreadsheet. You can have multiple spreadsheets in your Google Sheets. You have to select the specific one from which you want to get the details. So this is my spreadsheet named customers data. And I want to connect this spreadsheet customers data with Pabbly Connect. So I will select the same from the drop down. In a similar manner, you also have to do the same. Then we have to select the sheet. So the sheet is already selected as currently I only have one sheet over here. Okay, then we have to select the range. From and up till which range you want to capture the response. So here we have to enter the range in this format. You can see we have start column, start row, and end column and end row. So here I have the start column as A2 and my end column is C21. So I'm going to enter the same. A2 colon C21. Okay, I want to get the details of the customers up till this range. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on save and send test request button. But before that, because we are going to get multiple rows at the same time, so it will be very difficult by using this complex data to complete our automation. Therefore, we are going to capture the response for all the customers, but currently to set up the integration, we have to capture the single response at a time so that we can set up the integration easily and effortlessly. For that, we have to turn the simple response button off and we are going to capture the response in the advanced format so that we can just process that data. Let's click on save and send test request button now. And here you can see that we have received the details of all the customers in the array format, that is in the combined format. And so now we are going to simply use Iterator, which is the feature of Pabbly, which helps us to process this data, and we will convert the data into single row at a time. Okay, so that we can complete our automation. Let's click on this add action step button now, and here our action application will be Iterator. Using this, we are going to process the array. So let's select our action event as process arrays and let's click on connect. Now it is asking us to select the response which is already selected over here. That is the earlier response which we have received. Let's click on save and send test request button, and here you can see we have received the response in the correct format, that is single response at a time. So here we have the single row We have first row, that is smart user. This is the email and we have the email address, and also we have received the row index, and all these details are same. By using these details, now we are going to complete our automation, and when the automation is going to run in real time, automatically the messages will be sent to all the customers with their personalized details. Okay, after receiving this data, our objective is to send the message, and as you know, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow to send the messages on WhatsApp. So we'll click on this add action step button, and this time our action application will be Pabbly Chatflow. Then we have to select the action event, that will be to send curl request. And now let's click on connect. For building the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, you can see we have two options once again, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can just go with that. I'm going to show you that how you have to create a new connection. For that, we'll go towards add new connection, and you have to provide a token. Before getting the token, I'm going to take you towards my Pabbly Chatflow account, and you can see that you have to first of all set up your account over here in Pabbly Chatflow by adding your WhatsApp number. So we'll go towards dashboard, and you can see we have the option of add WhatsApp number. So when you will click on this button, you will have to enter the details, access token, WhatsApp business account ID, and phone number ID. Now, how are you going to get these details? Access token, WhatsApp business account ID, and phone number ID. For that, first of all, you have to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. Over here, we are on the app dashboard of WhatsApp Cloud API under Meta for Developers. And when you will go towards WhatsApp over here, we'll find the option of API setup. You have to first of all set up this account, and you will have to generate the permanent access token, which is required for setting up the account of Pabbly Chatflow as well. So in order to learn how to generate permanent access token and to learn the full setup of WhatsApp Cloud API account, we have already created the video tutorial, and also it is uploaded on our channel. If you want, we will also attach the video link in the I button. So you can just go click on the I button and watch the video for the full tutorial. Okay. Once you will get these details, you'll just have to paste it over there, and then your WhatsApp number will be added. All right, I've already done that, so I'm going to cross this, and now we are going to build the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect with the help of API key. So over here, you can see we have to enter the token. The instructions are given that how we have to get this token. So because I'm already logged into my Chatflow account and also my setup is done, I'm going to directly click on this hyperlink. It will take me towards API and webhook page of Pabbly Chatflow, and I will simply copy the API key from here. I will go back and I will quickly paste it over here. Done. Now let's click on save, and you can see that the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. To send the WhatsApp message, as you know, we have to create a template. So we have to provide the body over here. How to get it? For that, I'm going to take you towards my Pabbly Chatflow account once again, and we will go towards the template section now. Under template section, here we have template list option. So I'm going to select it now. And over here, you can see we are on the template section of Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so these are all the templates I have created for different purposes. For sending the New Year wishes and the discount offers to all my customers, I have created a recent template with a name as New Year Wish. I'm not going to open it and show you, but I'm going to show you how to create a new template. For that, you can see we have the option of add new template. Let's select that. And here, first of all, you have to provide a category of your template. You can have multiple categories: marketing, utility, authentication. So let's say this template which I'm going to create is for marketing. Then you can give the name to your template in the lowercase without any extra symbols. So let's say the name of my template is New Year Message. Okay. Then you will select the language by using which you want to send the message. So let's say I'm going to select English. We have to select the template type, whether your template is text type, image type, video type, or document type. So let's say I've selected text over here. Then you have to enter the template header. You can give a header line in your message. So let's say Happy New Year. Okay. Then you have to enter the template format. That means the main content of your message. Okay, we have the example of the message over here. You have to use variables in the template so that you can make the data dynamic. Let's suppose here I'm going to enter hello. Now for the name of my customer, I have used a variable. As you can see, I'm going to provide the sample value for that variable, that is, let's say, name. So here, when I have used a variable, automatically with every new response, this variable is going to replace. That means the value of the variable is going to replace. So because I have used variable for name, that means name is going to replace automatically with every new response. And in this way, we are going to send personalized messages to all our customers with their own name without any manual efforts. I have just used a single variable for showing you the example, but you can use as many variables as you want in your template to make the template creative and engaging. Okay. Then if you want, you can also add the footer value, footer line, or interactive actions. I'm going to ignore these fields currently, and then just you have to click on submit. Okay, once the template will be submitted, it will be sent for approval towards Meta. As the template will be approved, then you will be able to use it in order to send the messages. Or okay, so now I'm going to go back. This is my template, as I told you, New Year wish. Now we have to link this template with a broadcast. So we'll go towards the broadcast section. You can only link a template which is approved to the broadcast. We'll go towards broadcast on the left side, and now I'm going to click on this add broadcast button. And here you have to select the broadcast type. So here we will select API campaign. Then you have to provide the name to the campaign. So let's say the name of my campaign is New Year Wishes. Okay, then you have to select the template. You have to link the broadcast with a template. So the name of my template is New Year Wish. I have selected that. And here you can see that this is my template. Here we have the preview of the message. Happy New Year, dear customer name. Here, because I've used the variable, it will be displayed when the message will be sent. As we step into the new year, we at Divine Glamour extend our heartfelt gratitude for being a part of our journey. May this year brings you joy, health and prosperity. Special new year offer just for you. Enjoy 20% off on all product services. Offer valid from 1st January 2025 to 5th of January 2025. And here I have some other details. So the message is clear and on point. Now I'm going to simply click on add broadcast. As we have done that, you can see that the broadcast is created and also it is live. Now I'm going to click on test broadcast, and here we have the URL. We have to copy the URL which is required in Pabbly Connect till last, and we have to go back and paste it over here. Done. Now we have to make certain changes over here. So the template name is already same, campaign name is also same. We have to change the destination because we want to send the messages to all our customers. So we have to enter the number in a dynamic format. To make the data dynamic over here, we have to map the data. First of all, I will delete the existing data from here. And here you will simply insert the data from the previous step which you have received from your earlier response from Google Sheets. Here we have that. This is the number. And I will simply insert it from the previous step. As I've inserted the data, that means the number from the previous step, it is mapped. And now with every new response, automatically it is going to replace. This means automatically when the workflow is going to trigger, the workflow is going to run, the details are going to be fetched out, and according to each and every customer, this phone number is going to replace. Okay, we have to use the country code as well. So here I'm going to enter the country code manually because I'm going to have the same country code for all my customers. Okay, then we have to enter the username of the customer. The username will be the name which we have received in our earlier response. So I'm going to simply map that now, the name of my customer. Then we have to enter the body parameters. It is asking us for the first name. We have not received the first name. We have only received the full name. So what I will do, I will simply split this name in between. And to make it automatic, we have to go back and we have to click on this add action step button. We will simply select text formatter by Pabbly, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly that helps us to format the text in our workflows according to our requirements. Split text will be our action event as we want to split the name. Let's click on connect, and we will simply map the name which we want to split in text to split field. So here this is the name which I want to split, and because I map it, automatically it is going to replace with every new customer's response. Then it is asking us a separator. What is the value you want to use to separate this text, to separate this name? Here I have first name and last name, and between the first name and last name I have a gap. I have a space. So I'm going to use a space to separate my name. I will simply copy the space. I will paste it over here and done. Then it is asking us a segment index. First, second, last, or all. What segment of this text you want? I only want the first name, so I have selected first. Then I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and here I have received the first name. Now directly I'm going to map this first name over here. Okay, done. Now let's click on save and send test request button. And as you can see here, we have received the response which is saying that the message is sent and it is accepted as well. And now quickly I'm going to take you towards my Pabbly Chatflow account. And we'll go towards the inbox section. And you know, we do not have to again and again switch to WhatsApp web, as we have an amazing feature of inbox management inside Chatflow itself, which helps us to manage all our received as well as sent messages. So quickly I will take you towards inbox. And over here you can see that the message is sent to smart user. Happy New Year, dear smart. As we step into the new year, this is the entire message. So now once we have set up this connection at the scheduled time which we have selected, automatically the message is going to be sent to each of the customer of of which we have the details in our Google Sheets, and that too in the personalized format. So I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.